Hello and welcome back. Here's your tech informant. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted YouTube channel. Something happened some days ago. A creator reached out to me and told me that he mistakenly deleted his YouTube channel and he couldn't get it back. So it was very frustrating for him. This channel has thousands of subscribers and it took him about 4 years to build it to that level. So in today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how we eventually recovered the deleted YouTube channel. So before I start, you can't achieve this with your YouTube mobile app or the Studio mobile app. You have to log into your Google account in a browser. So all you need to do is just go straight to myaccount.google.com/accounts. So when you log into your Google account with this address, it will give you the list of brand accounts that is associated with your Google account. So here I have 3 channels or 3 brand accounts. So I want to simulate deleting this channel. So I want to delete this channel. That is my second channel. So let me quickly do that by clicking on it, then click delete account. So it will request me to validate myself. So here it will request that I should accept all this and then click delete account. So when I click delete account, refresh this brand account list page, you can see that my second channel is no longer there. The account has been deleted. So now for you to recover your deleted YouTube channel, all you need to do is to go to myaccount.google.com/brand account. So with that, when you now go to this deleted account and then you click on this restore icon, it will automatically get the channel back. So when I refresh this page again, you can see that the brand account is back. Let me refresh it again. So you can see that my second channel account or my second channel has been recovered. So this is how to recover a deleted YouTube channel. So you need to have in mind that for you to achieve this, it shouldn't take so much time before you start recovering your channel. That is like when you delete your YouTube channel, this option will be available for some days. So the earlier you try to recover your deleted YouTube channel, the better, because the longer it takes, there's every possibility that you won't be able to get it back, even when you email Google. So I felt that I should share this with you because I know as a creator in this space, sometimes things happen and you need this kind of information to solve your problem. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you'll be getting useful videos like this from this channel. And please share this video with other creators because you can't tell, this could be a lifesaver to someone creating content on this platform. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.